everybody, Matt Yakovit, head of open source strategy at Scarf, here to invite you to try out Scarf. What is Scarf? In a nutshell, Scarf is designed to help commercial open source companies, foundations, and maintainers unlock hidden data about their user bases, providing insight into who's actually using your open source software, how often they're downloading, deploying, and consuming that content. One of the biggest challenges I've seen is companies simply don't know who's downloading their open source software because they're from all different channels. There's different ways to download that, and it's all anonymous. We change that by revealing that data. We currently help thousands of individual open source projects from organizations like the CNCF, Apache Foundation, Linux Foundation, and others by giving them adoption metrics, growth data, and insights into their project's user bases. But we also help commercial companies with this data. This provides commercial companies with not only growth data, but also valuable sources of sales and funding leads, as well as information and insight to improve sales negotiations. Let me tell you a little bit about how Scarf works. Scarf collects data on the anonymous downloads, documentation views, and website traffic you already have and transforms them into real usage, matching it with real data about those companies. We then aggregate the data, analyze the data, giving you insights into the deployment company's users and even the seats deployed at a specific enterprise, giving you deep insights into that company's usage. Let's look at the Scarf dashboard to see what sort of data you will see and what it will look like. Here you can see some of the data about where your users are downloading from, which clients they use, hosting providers, etc. You can get all of this data across all of the different channels and different properties that you have, including all the different distribution channels. When we look specifically at a company who's using your software, we build a profile of that usage and provide you with a company insight page, enabling you to see the company's usage over time and get a general idea on how they're using, the number of users, and even potentially if there's a churn risk. Go ahead and give Scarf a try today. It's free to try. We encourage you to let us know what you think.